Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. For those of you that are new, my name is Maggie and welcome. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make ambrosia salad. Now, to be honest, I literally just found out about this a few months ago, and when I tried it I was absolutely hooked. It's really easy, it comes together in no time. You're not really doing much to assemble, so for me that's perfection. And then of course the flavor is there. So this week I decided to make it for a friend for her birthday, so I decided to share it with you so you guys can make it as well. If you want to see how easily it comes together, make sure you continue to watch. Okay, so to make this simple dessert, all you need is some mini marshmallows, some whipping cream, mine's store-bought because I think that works the best, some tangerines, maraschino cherries, pineapple chunks, and then sweetened coconut flakes. And honestly, all you do is pretty much dump everything into your bowl. I did drain the pineapple juice out of here, so it's not super juicy, but it's not really dry either. Then we're gonna add in our maraschino cherries, our coconut. I do about half a cup, but you can do more if you'd like. And then all you do is you add in your heavy whipping cream or your whipped cream. You just mix it up. That is all you do. And then you serve. It's so easy, but it's so delicious. And since summer is coming to an end, I feel like this is like the perfect way to really say goodbye. So make sure that you head over to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen to get the measurements that you need. Make sure that you give me a big thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!